River IC, Memory Division. Okay, I was just informed by OPD that the victim who came out, the male victim, he is now met with a female victim. They're both soaking wet, and that there is no one else in the water. They both were able to self-extricate. We're going to make our way back there. You'll be river right, and you'll meet up with Orange Engine 6 for your patient. Grove emails 1, copy.
Drinking? Drinking tonight, yeah? Are you in a car? Car going to water?
Memory Division. River Command. We're walking her around the fence right now, and the male victim's just cold and shivering. Say that there's no one else in the water. The male victim we're with, he has strong ETOH odor, but he's adamant that there's no one else in the water, and there's no car in the water. They went in with their inner tubes.
I'm just asking some question there.
And River IC Duke 1, we confirmed with Station 10 that they have no reports of a vehicle in the water.
So from you guys, right? Right. There's no car in the water?
Out of it. 10-4, all units on scene, Orange County Fire, River Command, being commanded, and all units get clear. One copy, cancel. Cancel from the river incident, we're en route back to Fullerton. You can keep us at left light call on you.
Get right with you in the water too. I'll get her views.
Hey,
And we're going to go to UCI.
can I put her in there in the record?
Yeah, we're going up. Yeah. We're going up.
Can you confirm the point of entry?
South of the 20 freeway. Truck 71, why don't you respond to their location?